Welcome to Bloom Vision. First, we're going to create our event. Click on the bottom, add the name, add the date, and click Continue. Next, pick from a variety of color schemes and palettes for your event. The next screen brings us to our template page where you can scroll through them by category or scroll through them individually. Choose the template you'd like to create. Now it's time to create our arrangement. Pick the top category on the left, click Change Item. You may either type an individual flower that you're looking for or scroll through the list of available flowers in that category. Click the flower and confirm changes. Now choose your next category. Choose Change Item. And again, pick a flower that you'd like to use. Confirm your changes. Continue like this through all of the items on the left as you build your floral arrangement. In each of the categories on the left, you are going to be led through the original flowers that the template maker chose to make their design. You can follow their lead or pick whatever you like. The possibilities on each template are endless. You can eliminate flowers from the design by simply leaving them unhighlighted. If you've already chosen the flower, simply click on that flower and hit Reset to eliminate it from your design. If you decide that you want to use all the flowers, then you can pick any combination of flowers to create your design. The exciting thing is that new flowers and new templates are added weekly to the program. Now, I've finished my design, and if I decide I want to change one of the flowers in the design because I don't like it, I don't even have to go through the scroll on the left. All I do is click on the individual flower, just like this, and then that flower is going to come up. I will again choose Change Item, and I can put a different bloom in there. Let's go with this mini calla lily. When I'm satisfied with my design, I save and exit, where I can either print out a PNG image without any background or the flower recipe.